Verisurf simplifies scan-based inspection and analysis through a graphical display of extraction zone boundaries, making it easy to visualize which points are used to define the measured geometry. Separate zones for radial and axial limits facilitate custom extraction strategies for different feature types, and extraction zones can be individualized for each feature in a plan. Extraction zones are edited interactively, and the results can be viewed graphically in real time. The height zone controls the distance in either direction of the feature, normal to establish the zone along the axis of a cylinder or normal to a plane. The radial zone establishes the boundary perpendicular to an axis or away from a center point. Zones can be further modified by limiting the number of points used in high-density scans. The intuitive extraction zone display improves feature extraction accuracy by taking the guesswork out of creating extraction zone boundaries, providing more confidence in the results. Accuracy is further enhanced through sigma filtering to enable outlier rejection at various levels of statistical certainty.